Escape to a peaceful life in this classic home on 58 plus beautiful acres in Maine. The house sits on a hill with great views of the meadows and woods. It's perfect for history lovers and people who want to live off the land. The property has a big barn, garage, workshop, and other buildings for animals and storage. You can enjoy the outdoors all year round with hiking trails, a private pond, and access to a snowmobile trails. Inside the house, you will find a cozy floor plan with fireplaces, wood floors, and a charming kitchen. This is a rare and special property waiting for you to make it your home. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.